Everything is done except for two things. I just time-lapsed that whole thing. I didn't talk a lot, but I got everything back on except the front fender, and I ordered two new of these because this one's scratched and the other side was missing, so I have those coming. But thing looks really good, turned out good, happy with it. Start it up quick, you can hear it. I love the tack on this thing. She is very loud, and I love it. I'm gonna do another video once I get the front fender and these side panels, but everything is pretty much done. I wrote it. Feels good. The front fender is gonna take a while to come. They said 6 to 8 weeks, and I haven't heard anything, and it was probably like 5 weeks ago when I ordered it, so I'm just waiting on that, but that's coming, so that'll be it, and then it's done, and now I need to get rid of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this build, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.